The last time we were here was like 21 years ago, I think.
How many watched us that last time? Can you clap your hands? Well, there's two of them.
How many remembers that they were here at that time? No, I just wonder, are these all young, is this a young crowd we have here tonight? Or?
They're only about
by the sound that they make, they sound young.
Mga 25 years yan. 25 years working, di ba? Mga kaibigan, we are celebrating our 50th year. 50 years! Alam niyo ba kung gaano katagal ang 50 years? Oh, ano?
50 years.
Yun nga, sinabi ko 50 years na tayo.
Sabi mo, ano katagal?
Oo nga,
50 years.
But,
ang barkada mong tunay ang awit sa'yo. Sa lingkod at ligayang hirap at ginawa kami asa.
sabi,
bakit ba ako nalalaman ito? Inaamin ko rin na kulang ang aking nalalaman at nauunawaan. Ngunit kahit ganyan na kilala lang, alam ko na may karapatan ang bawat kilala. Kahit bata pa man, kahit bata pa man.
sabay-sabay tayo, mawin lang tayo.
Nais ko sanang malaman, malisan at tumawanan, sariling pagkaranas, ang aking pamamalitan, ibunan ang isipan sa mga.
The oldest person in this room is 92 years old and her name is Aling Rosin. Where is Aling Rosin? Ano? Andyan? The youngest person in this room, mga kaibigan.
Gusto ko Aling Rosin. Alam ko, aabot rin kami dyan. And I'd like to...
Wait.
May isang anak si Krista.
Si Krista.
Krista's watching us for the first time.
Ang pinakabata dito sa room na ito, mga kaibigan, ay ang aking apo, na si Relly.
Ilang taon?
3 years old. And I'd like to read my fellow Lions Club members. From Ponds, a big hand for the Lions. They bought a lot of tickets. Thank you. How many are watching the Apo for the first time? Can you clap your hands? First timers. Really? Really? You never watched us back home?
After 50 years, this is the first time.
Siya'y ibang-iba, sinasamsam ang bawat gunita. Hindi mo maimunan kung kailan nagsimula. Patuto, ikaw lang ang mahalin. At di ko malimutan kung kailan ko natikman ang tamis ng iyong halik. Yakap na napakahigpit, pag-ibig mong tunay hanggang langit. Araw, ikaw ang may dala,
Gagawan namin pagkabig.
aking kiramdam talaga. Oh no, show me what you really see. 'Cause I don't feel like you. No, I don't feel like you. Cause I don't feel like you. No, I don't feel free. When you're free, you're in great company. Just imagine the possibilities. I will ride singing hallelujah.
Dalas o minsan, pagkat iba na nga ang may